Everyone, welcome back again in my channel. Today we will see how to remove clkmon.com pop-up ads from Chrome browser. If your Chrome browser is redirected to this clkmon.com or shorty.st site at random time, then it is possible that your computer is infected with an adware program. In most cases, this adware software we install unknowingly. Once the malicious program is installed, whenever we browse the internet, an ad from clkmon.com will randomly pops up. It's more frustrating when you can't get rid of this. It's neither showing in Chrome extension nor in control panel uninstall program. I found a very useful tool to get rid of this. Today I'm going to show you how I remove this adware. I'm using a tool named Adwcleaner. This removable tool is a free utility which will scan your computer and web browser for the clkmon.com adware. You can download Adwcleaner from this link. I'll put the link in my video description. Now click this download button to download the software. Now double click on it to install the software. One click install. If Windows prompt appear, allow it to run. Now click on scan now. Adwcleaner will now search for adware and other malicious files that may be installed on your computer. We got one adware. Now click on quarantine. That's pretty much of it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.